Good afternoon, this is Saleh once again with this video series. So today we're going to talk about our latest launch that we had, that is Lava iris870, the flagship model of Lava. So we would be discussing the design of the phone, what it has to offer, and most importantly how it is different in the market, right? So every aspect, the key selling points and all that. So let's go into the details. So as you can see the details, the display, awesome, right? Beautiful interface, user friendly. You can see the key feature that has been used over in this phone over here is its design, its display. It has got 2.5D arc glass, Gorilla Glass 3. Gorilla Glass 3 mean it is 3 times scratch resistant as compared to Gorilla Glass 2 and 1. Alright, and 2.5D glass means, as you can see over here, the edges, the beautiful edges, right, in the corner, that is the brilliance and the beauty all together in one. So yeah, sounds good. Unbelievable device with an unbelievable price. As you can see over here, the user interface, amazing. Now again, this is, as you know, it's a technical feature, that 2.5D glass, and the customer does not understand and he might not understand. So we need to link it with the feature and benefit. We need to link it with the feature and benefit, that how it can benefit my customer. Now, my phone has got 2.5D arc glass that allows you to use your phone with both hands comfortably. That means you can use the phone for a long time. That means you can use the phone for a long time without haste and pain and without any other headache. Alright? Okay. So the next thing, there are 1,000 things which I loved about this phone personally. Okay, but I'll be sharing with you the key points in the phone. Alright, so the first thing, do remember that is 2.5 arc D glass. So honestly, I promise you will not find this design in the market with this price. I promise, right? So this hype, this mindset, you should be proud of, that our product engineer, product team, thank you very much. You have given us this wonderful device. Alright, now let's talk about your favorite feature of the phone. Do you want beautiful pictures? Of course, yes. Good news, we have come up with the camera that will surprise you, that will ring the bells in your mind. Yes, as you know, as you can see the camera over here, we will, for your reference, I'll be sharing with you the photo taken from iris870 and iPhone 6s. So before we talk about camera, you just have a look at that photograph. Alright, sounds great? Yes. Didn't I tell you that it will surprise you, it will ring the bells in your mind, right? So now the beauty of this camera is, as you know, for camera, we do not only need the number of pixels. For camera, we need the sensor, we need the application, the software, and most importantly, the lens, right? As you know, we have discussed in several times in the trainings also, that the beauty of iris870's camera is the size of the pixel. Although the number of pixels have reduced over here from 13 megapixel to 8 megapixel. The rear camera is 8 megapixel, alright, along with the Samsung sensor, but the size of the pixel have increased. Now typically, as you know, let me tell you about Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy S6, they had 16 megapixel camera, but the size of the pixel was less. It was when they launched S7, they reduced the number of pixels to 12 megapixels. However, they increased the size of pixel from 1.1 mu to 1.4 mu. So similarly, we have got a flagship launch, iris870. The number of pixels are gone down, 8 megapixel, but the size of the pixel has increased, 1.4 mu. Good news? Of course, yes. Now the benefits. This is the feature. The benefit, it will give you a wonderful photo shot experience in the low light condition as well as the outdoor photos. All right. And most importantly, the aperture size has also gone up. Previously we had f2.2, now f2.0. That means the lower the pixel aperture number, the bigger the amount of light has comes in, and that makes your photo a wonderful shot. Let's talk about the front cam. In the front cam, has got here a unique option. You can see over here, I need to turn on the selfie camera. That will give you wonderful creativity of this phone. That is, as you can see over here, I have turned on my hand. One moment. As you can see over here, it has got a LED flash on the front side, and the innovation in this phone is that it has got a screen flash also. Screen flash allows you to take more natural photo. Now I have a question: which one in the market they have got a screen flash? iPhone 6s. Yes, we also have the similar feature in our phone. So you can see it has got a screen flash. Let me demonstrate how does it work when you are taking a screen flash. You simply sorry, I did a mistake. You simply click on the photo and the screen flashes, and it gives you a more natural photograph and more brighter photograph. So sounds great, I believe. And based on the StarOS 3.2 Android Marshmallow, it has got a face beauty. It has got lots of other features that we are as a ritual, as a tradition. We have Lava. They have continued that other feature. We have got a bokeh mode. We will have a separate discussion on that. But as of now, camera, it has got 8 megapixel rear camera with a bigger pixel size, 1.4 mu, and it has got a 5 megapixel with front flash and LED flash. Unbelievable device, unbelievable price. My promise. Thank you. Alright, now the next element that we have in this phone that we will be covering is the operating system. As you know, the product operating system, the phone's operating system matters a lot. It gives you a beautiful user interface, it gives you lots and lots of added benefits, and for your information, this phone has 3.2 StarOS. StarOS 3.2, previously we used to have 3.0, but this time it has got the latest version, that is 3.2. Let me show you over here. As you can see, StarOS, iris870, and 3.2 based on Android 6.0, and it has got a quad-core 1.0 gigahertz processor with a 2 GB RAM and built-in ROM of 16 GB. Alright, now let's talk about what a StarOS is and how does it make your phone a wonderful phone. So, as you know, there are lots of benefits of StarOS, from the camera, from the user interface, from added applications, but the key thing in this phone and the difference between Android 3.2 and 3.0 is the battery manager over here. As you can see, we have got super power saver mode, we have got the power saver mode, and the key feature that has been used in 3.2 is background apps management. So let's talk about how does it work. Normally, when you're using a phone, so it optimizes your battery. It consumes a lot of battery when you close the applications, and you know the applications are running on the background, and it consumes a lot of battery. So this feature, the background application management, it allows your phone to restrict the applications that you want. Ideally, as you can see over here, the application I can turn off this Lava Service Center, and I can turn off NetEase Music. So what will happen? It's written over here, you can see the auto clean power consuming background apps in 2 minutes up to screen off. This may cause failure in receiving some information, some notification. Now I have turned off over here. I need to turn it on. Now what will happen when I use internet browsing, I use YouTube and all that. After 2 minutes, automatically the application will be closed. Please remember, the applications will not be deleted from the phone, but it will be closed automatically. So you do not need to go manually and close typically that we are doing like this, right? You don't need to do that. Automatically it will close within 2 minutes, right? So let's go back. We are here in battery manager, background application. So you need to turn off and turn on, so you can restrict the application, and you do not need to go manually like this. Automatically it will restrict the application. So you can have a try on that. Sounds great. All right, now this is a feature. This is the feature. Now let's discuss that how it can be a benefit for the customer. Yes, Mr. Customer, it has got StarOS 3.2 that gives you super power saver mode, and on top of that, the brilliance, the most amazing feature is the background apps management that will allow you to use your phone for a long time. That will increase the battery consumption, as well as that will make your phone smoother, that will consume the lower amount of RAM, and that will simply make your phone awesome. Brilliant. Thank you. Now let's talk about the most important feature that you always demanded, and that is, guess what? Of course, the battery. Nowadays we have the problem that the battery drains down, we carry lots of power banks and all that, and Lava makes an attempt successfully to sort out this need, and we have fulfilled this need. As you can see, protection, safety, and you can see the beautifully steel coated battery. Unlike others, we had in other model, the previous launches, we had the other battery, but this time we kept in mind your security, your safety, your protection, your durability, your experience, the product that this will give you, and we make sure that we give you an unbelievable experience, not only the camera and the display, but with the battery also. As you can see over here, it's a polymer battery, and we had lithium battery as well. The difference is polymer battery, they have got different cells in over here. For example, 3 cells inside the battery that gives you more power, more energy as compared to the lithium battery. So again, it's a non-removable battery built in, but you can see it's a polymer steel coated battery. And you might have seen in the market some phone really when they are overheated or when they're overcharged, they get burst and there's a blast in the phone and it creates a drama. But we make sure that we do not come across this experience, because as a company, our first intention is your security, your protection, and your safety. All right. So for that, our product engineer, product team, they have done a brilliant work on this battery timing, and we have given you 2700 mAh polymer battery that gives you secure, safer, and protective layer while you are using the phone. Sounds great. Reasons to buy this phone, but for me, only 3 reasons are enough to buy this phone. Number 1 is 2.5D art glass with Gorilla Glass Number 2 is 8 megapixel camera with a bigger pixel size, that is 1.4 mu. And number 3, most importantly, is Android latest StarOS 3.2 based on latest Android 6.0. I believe you experience these features, you would love it, just for brighter imaging, just for brighter future. Thank you very much. This is Salim with you. We'll see you again. Thank you.